In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Minecraft add-ons such as actions and stuff here in Minecraft for free. This is completely legal, and this method follows both YouTube's terms of service and Mojang's rules, so there's going to be no hacks, no mods, or no sketchy websites involved. Before we do get into this though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, no matter what device you're on, the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser, go ahead and close out of Minecraft, and essentially what you're going to want to do is search for Microsoft Rewards. Go ahead and hit enter, go to the Welcome to Microsoft Rewards page, and then once you are on here, what you're going to want to do is create a Microsoft Rewards account or sign in using the Microsoft account link to your Minecraft Bedrock Edition account. You can sign in up in the top right corner, just like so, and as you can see, I am already signed in. Once you are signed in, scroll down and you're going to see an option that says Visit Dashboard. Go ahead and choose that, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to scroll down and you're going to see all these different options with like plus and then some sort of number after it. All these ones are plus 10, but if you scroll down, you're going to see even more with like plus 50, plus 20, and daily sets as well. What you're going to want to do is complete these simple things on here. They're all going to be small little tasks like search on Bing for fun DIY kits. And then you could literally just click this hyperlink and it's going to redirect you and just search for fun DIY kits. Hit enter. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and see that number immediately go up. And as you can see, I already have quite a bit. And it's going to say complete once you do finish it. This one is search on Bing to find deals and reviews for your next book. Book, deals, hit enter. It's going to redirect you, and as you can see, that's already done. This one's find deals on Bing. Just open this up. Deals, done. Numbers are going up, and as you can see, that increased quite a bit already. But essentially, just go through, do some of these tasks. They are all super, super easy. Obviously, the higher the number, the better. The daily set, the better. And then from here, what you're going to want to do once you get some points is actually go to this redeem option. And once you go to redeem, search specifically for Minecraft or minecoins, and you're going to see an option to redeem Minecraft digital coins, aka minecoins. Select this, hit redeem reward, and then from here, you're going to have a few different options to actually redeem this and get yourself some free minecoins, which in turn can be used to go into Minecraft, go to the marketplace, and then go ahead and purchase really whatever you like, whether it is actions and stuff or any other add-on here in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It really is as simple as that though. I have a full video breaking down the fastest way to get these Microsoft points, so I recommend checking that out. But if you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.